So here we are with fractions once again, exercise 3D, and here we will be dealing exclusively with simplification where we shall be using bodmas and many other rules like LCM, addition, multiplication, division. Okay, I bet I'll not do more than 5 sums. Okay, therefore let's start with number 1. And here in question number 1, which is really very beautiful, we have 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So here 6 plus 4 by 3 means here we have our denominator as 1. Now, since I find that plus and plus are involved, therefore if we multiply this plus with the fractions inside, the sign of the fractions will not change. Therefore 6 by 1 plus 4 by 3, I will be targeting this one first, plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus into minus 1 by 3, isn't it? And now I am going to close this bracket. This small bracket has been removed. Now let's see, 6 by 1, again I find that plus sign is involved over here. Therefore if I multiply plus with all of them, this means the sign will not change. So plus 4 by 3 plus into plus will be plus 3 by 4 plus into minus will be minus 1 by 3. This means what I have done here is I have removed all these brackets. So now, as you know what to do, we shall be taking LCM of 3, 4 and 3, and the LCM will be 12. So LCM is equal to 12. Now 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. So 6 times 12 plus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So 4 times 4 plus 3 times 3 minus 1 times 4. Let's multiply. So here we have 72 plus 16 plus 9 minus 4. What we are going to do, we shall be adding all these positive signs, 72, 16 and 9. So on adding them, what will I get? I'll get 97 minus 4 by 12 is equal to what? Equal to 93 by 12, which is equal to how many times? This is 3 4 times and 3 31 times is equal to 31 by 4, which can be changed into mixed fraction like 7 3 by 4 as our solution. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31 by 4. So we saw that how 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is reduced to 7 3 by 4. Okay, let's come to the other one, and I find that the other one is as simple as the previous one. 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. I'll be keeping 1 over here as the denominator. So as I said, see here we have minus sign over here before the bracket, therefore it is very dangerous. However, let us first solve the sign which is inside these brackets. So we shall be targeting this one first, this portion first. So 8 by 1 minus 3 by 2 plus, let us multiply plus with the signs which is given in the bracket. So plus into this, plus 3 by 5 is equal to plus 3 by 5, plus into minus is equal to minus 1 by 2, isn't it? I have removed this small bracket. Now if a negative sign is there, so you need to change the sign of the fractions. All these sign of the fractions means plus will become minus, minus will become plus. How? Let us see. Minus 3 by 2 minus into plus, minus 3 by 5 minus into minus, plus 1 by 2. All the contents are, as I said, is given, flooded. The internet is flooded with everything. Here we are to build our concept. So 8, let us take the LCM as we did right now. So the LCM of 2, 5 and 2 will be equal to what? Will be equal to 10. Now 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. So 8 times 10 minus 3 times 2, 5 times into 5 minus 3, 5 2 times, so 3 into 2 plus 1 into 2, 5 times, so 1 into 5. So let us multiply them. 80 minus 15 minus 6 and plus 5 by 10. Oh, so what we need to do? Let us add the values having the same sign. So 80 and 5 have the same sign. So I'll add these two as 85, and minus 15 and minus 6 will be equal to minus 21. Same sign get added by 10 is equal to how much? 64 by 10. Let us cancel. 2 5 times and 2 32 times. Therefore is equal to 32 by 5. I find that this is an improper fraction. Why? Because the denominator is smaller. Therefore I need to change this into mixed number. So when I change this into mixed number, I'll get 6 2 by 5 as our final solution, isn't it? Let's come to number 3. Number 3 is also very beautiful. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Oh my God, it's not beautiful, it's dangerous. Why dangerous? Because here we have a sign of multiplication. Here we have a sign of multiplication. However, I am going to solve the bracket first. 1 by 4 multiplied by, let us take the LCM of 4 and 3 as 12, and I'll get here 3 plus 4 minus 2 by 5. Okay, now it has become quite easy. Do not forget the multiplication sign over here. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4, 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. And according to the rule of bodmas, I find that I need to do the multiplication first. So 1 by 4 into 7 by 12 becomes 7 by 48 minus 2 by oh my god, here 2 by 5 is, and here I should write 2 by 5. So here 2 by 5. Now as I said, I have to take the LCM of 48 and 5. So the LCM of 48 and 5 will be 48 into 5, isn't it? When you have two co-prime numbers like 9 and 7, co-prime number are numbers, co-prime are numbers whose HCF is 1. So how to find the LCM of two co-prime number? By multiplying both of them. Similarly, I multiplied 48 and 5. It became easier. How? 48 into 5 divided by 48 is equal to 5. So 7 into 5 minus 2 times 48 divided by 5. 48 into 5 divided by 5. See, 48 into 5 divided by 5. So 5 will cancel and you will get 48. So into 48. Now 7 5 times 35 minus 48 2 times 96 divided by 48 into 5. When I multiply, I'll get 240. So is equal to, let me change the pen. Now both of them, one is in positive, one has a positive sign and one has negative sign. Therefore we have to subtract them. So let me subtract. So after subtraction, I'll get 61, and the sign of the bigger number will come into play, is equal to 240 as our final solution. Okay, next let's come to number 4. Here in number 4, what I find that both division is also there. So since division is also there, we should not get scared. Why? Because we have to start with this portion first. So let us come to this portion first. We have 11 by 4 minus the big bracket. Let me write big so that you can understand better. By 25 by 8, I am changing all of them into improper fraction first, divided by this curly bracket 5. And whenever I get this kind of sums, I generally put 1 over here so that we shouldn't get confused. Minus 14 by 3 minus 11 by 12. Okay, let me close the bracket tightly, more tightly by this curly bracket and the big bracket. So we have over here 11 by 4. Now our target is this one. This portion is our target. Okay, let me use another pen, okay, so that you people understand. So this is our target. This is our target. Minus 25 by 8 divided by curly bracket 5 by 1 minus, what I am going to do, I am going to take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 12 is equal to 12. Okay, now 14 multiplied by 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 minus 11 multiplied by 1. 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Let me close the bracket first. Now 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by 5 by 1. 14 into 4 is equal to how much? So 14 into 4 is equal to 56 minus 11 is equal to 45. Here we have a sign of minus. 45 by 12. Okay, I can cancel over here. This all both of them can get cancelled, but I will not cancel. I'll cancel it later on. Okay, so 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by once again I have to take the LCM 12. Okay, I have to take the LCM. So after taking the LCM of 1 and 12 as 12, so naturally 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60. 60 minus 45. 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by 15 by 12. Okay, now I think we are approach 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. Since division is involved, I need to change this into multiplication. So let me change 11 by 4 minus 25 by 8 divided by, so multiplied by 12 by 15. Multiplied by 12 by 15. And next, what are you supposed to do? We are supposed to do cancellation. 4 2 times, 3 times, 5 3 times, 5 5 times. Achha, this 3 will also get cancelled. Achha, good. So 11 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Once again I have to take the LCM. Let me take. So LCM of 4 and 2 here after this. LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. 11 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 5 2 times 10 is equal to 1 by 4 as our final solution. So here we found that we had to take out the LCM a number of times. Okay. Number 5. In number 5 we have, as I said, I'll not teach you more than this. Why? So that you concentrate more. 12 and a half minus so. Here I find that something new is there. A bar of vinculum which had been taught earlier has been introduced. This bar of vinculum. Okay. So as you know that previously I had taught you not only first I taught you bodmas and then I had taught you V bodmas, means if bar of vinculum is involved we need to solve this V first. Okay. However, let's start with the bar of vinculum. 25 by 2 minus, we'll keep on changing it into improper fraction. 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 1. This is what we were supposed to do. Now, once again, I have to remove this bracket. As I said, we first solve the small bracket, then the curly, then the big bracket. So 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2 plus 9. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and 9 minus 4. Why not to write 9 minus 4? Why should we be in a hurry? No hurry. 25 by 2 minus 17 by 2. 17 by 2 plus 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. I am going to close this and I'll take 1 over here so that our denominator doesn't get angry. 25 by 2 minus minus. Let me take the LCM of 2 and 1 as 2. So here we have 17 plus 10. 25 by 2 minus 17 plus 10 is equal to 27 by 2. See, just we are proceeding on. Okay, I am writing big also so that you people can understand. Once again, I am going to take the LCM over here as 2. I am happy because both the denominators are same, so both of them are like fraction, and in like fraction denominator is same. So here we have 25 minus 27 is equal to what? Is equal to 2, not 2. It is minus 2 because the bigger number had negative sign, divided by 2. So let me cancel this. 2 one times, and finally we get minus 1 as our solution, isn't it? So what we found that these sums are truly very, very easy, and the remaining sums from 6 to 11 will be in the next lecture. And as I say at the end, a very big thank you. YOU.